Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Verge Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Zepp Live application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open it. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon right here, and then select the Amazfit Verge Lite from the list of devices. On this page, we can scroll down. And at the bottom, we have the Unpair button. Oh, the watch started syncing with the phone, so let's wait a couple of seconds until it's done. Okay, and now we can tap on Unpair, tap on Unpair again, tap on Unpair again, and wait. The watch will, here we can tap on Got It, and as you can see, the watch disappeared from the list of devices. Also, it's gonna reset itself to the factory default settings. Now, we can close the Zepp Live application, open the settings on our iPhone. So let's tap on the settings icon. In settings, open the Bluetooth option, and here you should see the Amazfit Verge Lite on the list of devices connected to your iPhone. If you don't have it, you can just close the settings and that's it. But if you have it right here, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device, and tap on forget this device to confirm. And now it's gonna be on the list devices, which is the list of devices nearby, but they're not connected to your iPhone. Okay, and now you can close the Bluetooth, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.